guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, but my friends call me Min if you're not new here. Thanks for joining again. Today we have our Beautylish Lucky Bag. I know everyone's posting their videos right now of what they got. Some people I have seen have got some amazing things in theirs. I have peeked at mine. I'm gonna not give it away. I'm gonna let you decide if you think I got an extra lucky bag or not. And yeah, let's hop into it. This is my very first year getting one of these. I tried to last year, but I didn't make the cut. It looks like that. It's got this little tag here that we're just gonna, what does it say? Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character on this year's lucky bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. Well, I hope so too. The first thing I'm pulling out is by Holly Frog. This is the Como Pop E Renewal Scrubby Wash. On their website, it retails for $40. It just says to use, massage gently onto damp skin in small circular motions. No need to apply pressure, just let the scrub do its thing. The formula turns into a milky emulsion when mixed with water. Rinse and pat dry, use twice a week to maintain a smooth complexion, but can be used more frequently if desired. Up your exfoliation ante by mixing in a small amount of Shasta AHA refining wash in with your scrub. This is what the actual packaging looks like. I do like the packaging it comes in, I gotta say. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it, and it looks like that. So that's alright, I mean, I'll use that for sure. Next up, we have something from Good Molecules. It is the Discoloration Correcting Serum, formulated with subtle tranexamate mesylate to target discoloration and promote an even skin tone. Whew. Directions: apply on cleansed skin, allowed to fully absorb before applying additional serums, blah, blah, blah. This retails for $12. This is what the bottle looks like. I haven't tried anything from Good Molecules, so I don't know. I don't really have too many like discoloration spots in my skin. I don't know if I'll use this or not. I'm not gonna open it just in case I want to pass that along. The next thing I have here is by Ardell. It is a 5-pack of lashes. This is a little disappointing. These retail for $11.99 at Sally Beauty. This is not very lucky, I do not think. All right, here we have Wayne Goss, the Luxury Cream Lipstick. It's got like a mirrored box to it. That's really nice. Oh, it's in the shade Daisy. I don't know if you can see that. This retails for $41. $41 for one lipstick. I mean, that's kind of expensive, isn't it? Ooh, okay. The packaging of it is really nice. It's super sleek and smooth, and I love the shiny black. It says Wayne Goss going around there, and the color is beautiful. It is such a pretty nude. Let me give this a swatch here. There is the color right there. Absolutely stunning. And my lips are so dry right now with the winter, so I'm glad it is more of a glossy kind of finish to it. It's not matte for sure. I mean, you can see the shine to it. All right, now I see something from Becca. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector pressed powder, pressed highlighter in Spanish Rose Glow. So I can tell you I do not have this shade, which I do have quite a few Becca highlighters. I do like them. I don't use them as much as I used to. I think the kind of Becca highlighter phase has slowed down, but I do still really like them. On the Becca website, it retails for $46. This one is just pure silver. It is the saucer that we all know. In here, let's remove the plastic. It gives you a nice mirror, and it has a little, I think it's supposed to be like a Spanish dancer embossed in there. It is really pretty. It looks pretty pink though. I don't typically go for like pink highlighters. Here it is on my finger. Let me swatch it better here. Actually, that is really pretty. I don't know if the camera is picking that up or not. I do hope so. It is pretty. I might wear it maybe in the summer when I'm a little more tanned. I'm pretty light right now. Woohoo! Okay, I've been wanting to try one of Sonia G Brushes for so long. Now I have one. This is the Builder Pro. It's just a flat brush. The handle of it, oh, it is so sleek feeling, and these bristles are so soft. Oh my goodness. If I could afford it, I would buy a whole set of these because they are amazing. I'm happy to have one of those. The very last thing I'm pulling out is by Charlotte Tilbury. I only have two other things from Charlotte Tilbury. I have a lipstick and I have the Bar of Gold highlighter trio thing. I love that. Anyways, this is the Mesmerizing Maroon Luxury Palette color-coded eyeshadows. That is what the packaging looks like. It does have a little thing on the back here. It says number 1, 2, 3, 4, Prime, Enhance, Smoke, and Pop. On the Charlotte Tilbury website, this quad retails for $66. Sorry, I was just fighting with the package to get into it. This is what the packaging looks like. It is very sleek. You get a little mirror in there, and these are your 4 shades. You have 1 matte and 3 shimmers. These are the shades on my finger, and let's just swatch them out. Oh God, that just slid on like butter. Oh my goodness. These are extremely pigmented, so smooth and buttery. Wow. Okay. Trying out her eyeshadow formula now. I might have to find one where the colors are a little more exciting. This is a pretty neutral palette. It is really nice just for a quick daily wear. It will be great for travel in the summertime. If I just am out camping and then we go in somewhere and hit up a mall out of town somewhere, I can quickly just have that in my bag and throw it on and look a little more presentable. I am happy to have it. All in all, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with this box. I'll use most of the things in it. The overall amount of the box, if I was to go and buy each product individually, would be $254.99. So, you know, I really can't complain. And anything I don't use, I can pass along to friends or put in a giveaway or whatever else. I really do like the idea of a surprise box. I think it was super fun. Will I get it again next year? Probably, and I'll hope for a little luckier of a box. I don't think mine was super lucky, but I'm good with it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.